I don't care what it is. If you are on social media, you're here for one of these two reasons. You're either here to consume or you're here to give some type of value. And if you're here for the latter part of the reason, or the latter reason, this is going to help you, right? And I'm not just talking about what I'm promoting and stuff like that. I'm talking about learning the skill of getting in front of more people. See, people underestimate. People think that because they see when you jump on a live and you look at that number up there, or you look at wherever that number is, that people just happen to get those numbers. No, they don't randomly get those numbers, right? They get those numbers on purpose. They get people tuning into their content on purpose. Give you 10-minute videos, 10 to 15 minutes, and then you implement that action, right? Whatever you saw in the video, you implement those actions, right? So you watch and you implement. Every day you watch, you implement. We're doing a 90-day business breakthrough. Every single day you get these short form videos that help you understand how to reach more people, understand how to post. We even give you pre-written content that will teach you how to promote and what to say, because in the beginning I really didn't know what to say, right? When I first started 8 years ago, I couldn't even tell you how to start to make a post or whatever, to do any kind of market. Now it's one of my favorite things to do. And I have the blessing and the opportunity to be able to show people inside my community how to do this, right? And this is outside of the free content that you will get after you make a purchase of a digital product.